morning, children. Today I am going to take. Have you remembered when you have exam revision 2 on Sunday 8th? Okay. Today I am going to give the model paper of 6th English. Okay, ma. So you be careful. This time all of you attend the exam and write neatly and send your answer sheets to the office school. Okay. So afterwards we will correct it and give your marks. Okay, ma. So you be happy. By writing the exam, you'll get some knowledge, some enthusiasm. Okay, so if you know the subject very well, you'll feel happy, no? Okay, try to attend all of you. Okay, first one, blanks. Blanks means from the lesson I read per passage. Okay, blanks, first one for para, second lesson one para I'll give as a blanks. So what is the correct answer in the textbook? You have to write that answer but not your own answer. So you have to read the textbook thoroughly. Then only you can write the correct answers. First one is the blanks from the lesson. Okay. And second one, comprehension passage. That means I'll give one passage. Based on that passage, I'll give question answers. You can get full marks there because answers will be there only. Okay. Then third one, meanings. In the second lesson, what are the meanings are there? You have to write and by heart the answer with the correct spellings. Okay, ma? Then fourth one, missing letter. Missing letters also, what are the hard words to you? You have to go through carefully. Just like in missing letters I will give. That word you have to complete it. Okay, ma? Just like a hard word, but here this is as a missing letter. And fifth one is the opposites. In your textbook, you got more composition what I gave, not that one. So what are the textbook opposites they gave, you have to go through that one. Then sixth one, true or false, that also in the textbook you have. Then seventh one, blanks. These blanks are the different of this. That blanks come from the lesson, but this is in your textbook they given the adjective blanks. Adjective blanks, have you remembered? Superlative, comparative and positive. Superlative means before the adjective, the should be there. So when there is a the, you have to write the superlative degree. When there is a than, that is the comparative degree. You have to go through what are the adjectives. Okay, ma? Then third one, positive, as will be in the positive. So this blanks also in your textbook. Then eighth one, matching. That also matching in your textbook only. You go through the textbook thoroughly. Matching also there. You have to be very careful. Then ninth one, one composition. One composition. Anything. So what you know. So what I give cow. Some people written very well. Very good. So composition means one I will give. You think and write. Okay, what you know, but don't get answer from your parents. Don't search anywhere. Okay, what you know, you write. Then only you write the correct answer. You know how to frame the sentences also. When you ask no, that is not your answer. Okay, so you have to write your own answer, own sentences. That is the composition. Then last one is the noun forms. Noun forms I gave in the material. Okay, that noun form you have to go through. Okay, so totally you be thorough in second lesson. What all the grammar is there, what I give the model, according to that you have to go through. Okay, so what you want right now, forms also write, and then meanings, opposites. So whatever the grammar lesson you read carefully. For the lesson you will get missing letters also will be there. Then blanks, comprehension passages also you will get the correct answers. Okay, ma? So you remember what are the model paper and try to write. All of you attend the exam, but only few people are sending their question papers. No, ma. Please, all students should attend the exam. You try to get the good mark. You try to understand the question paper. You write neatly. Okay, ma? But line by line, write neatly. Then you get the full marks. You will be happy. Your parents also will be happy. But don't be lazy. Or the sixth students, no. So up to fifth, your model is the different, and from sixth, your model paper is the different. So you try. This new class, no. So you have to show the enthusiasm. You show the concentration. I'll read. How to read the textbook. I'll get the good mark. That type of the impression, that type of the concentration, you have to get it. Okay, ma? Okay. Have you understood what is the model paper? Then all the best. Bye.